Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. This has been a crazy couple of weeks, let alone day. This day, I just received this box, so I'm filming in a different area because currently I'm also filming in the other rooms the spoilers for some things for the November Ipsy Plus, as well as the FabFitFun customization spoilers. So I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out on those. So I have that going on right now. So I'm in a different area to film this for you right now. So what I wanted to share with you is this is a box that is a subscription box. I got this box, it's got to be at least a couple of years ago already. When they first started, I got in pretty early. And this box was very interesting because they were trying to compete dollar to dollar wise, you know, with the BoxyCharm box at that time when it was just starting out. This box, when I got into it, it was a $19.99 and it's free ship in the USA. Currently now it is $24.99, but what they did at this company was they allowed everybody who got in early and stayed with them they froze our price at $19.99. So I still pay the $20 only for this box, but anyone who is interested in this box going forward, it has been and is $24.99. This box is a really unique box. What's different about this box, and the reason I continue to get it, is they have some products that are more indie brand directed, and I've had the opportunity to try a lot of brands that I have never seen in any other box. And for me, that $20 for full-size items, I'm always seem to be happy with. It always runs between 5 and 7 products. It's always based on, I guess, the values. Like I said, I pay $19.99 for this, even at $24.99. The value of this box this month is $137. I have the opportunity, as always, to open up the box prior to make sure nothing is missing, everything is in good condition, take off any wrapping and things like that prior to, and then take my pictures for Instagram. So if you're missing out, if you are not following me on Instagram, I share a lot over there that I don't have the time to do on video here. So if you are enjoying my content here, you will definitely enjoy the content that I have over on Instagram. And that's my name there is True Wants with the number 2. So I really hope you will follow me there, and that's free as well. But like I said, a lot of information I'm able to share there. Okay, so we're going to try this a different way. So this is the card that comes with it. It's called Kindred Kindness this month. And the other side of this card has all of the information of the products that are inside the box along with the retail pricing. And this box also usually donates money to a charity with these boxes. So right now they're using, the enables the partnership with 1736 Family Crisis Center, which is an assisting people recovering from domestic violence and human trafficking. So it's nice that the box gives back as well. So let's get started with what is actually in the box. So this is the first item here. It came in this beautiful, beautiful box. It's called State of the Kind. And this is what the box looks like here. And we're just gonna line it up right here. And then I'm gonna show you what was actually inside the box was this beautiful, beautiful bottle. And it really is stunning. And it's very weighty. This one says it's called the State of Kind. It says it is the Kindly Restore. They're saying this is a $65 value. And they're saying this is a multitasking sleep concentrate that's formulated to deeply nourish, repair, and hydrate the skin overnight. It will leave our skin supple, fortified, and hydrated. This is 100% natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. That's another thing that he tries to do, is he tries to put cruelty-free products in the box. Sometimes they're vegan, sometimes they're just cruelty-free. This is a pump. When I pumped this, a white cream came out. There is no real scent to this, but it did penetrate into my skin nicely, and that is what the first product is here. And like I said, this on its own is a $65 value for a product and a line that I did not know about. The next item is one that I just received in a BoxyCharm box, and it is from the brand called Insert Name Here. It is what they're calling the Quick Slick. And this item looks like this. It is one of those mascara wands that you use to, let me pull this out just a bit, that you put on the flyaway hair. So what they said, this is a $22 value. It says it is quickly and easily touch up your hair, no alcohol, it's safe for sensitive scalps, it's non-irritating, non-flaky essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways. It's a light peach scent, and it's also cruelty-free. The next item in here is from this brand called Dupes. And this says it is a pink grapefruit repair cream, and it's a $12 value. And this is what this item looks like here. And better if I do it where you guys can see what it is. It's a really nice size. And this one says it's an ultra-rich reparative moisture bursting with the aroma of fresh pink grapefruit. After bathing, showering, or anytime it's needed, it's vegan and cruelty-free. So this is pretty much just a lotion that you would put on after bathing. So I'm just it has a safety seal on here. So let me just pull that back, and I will put a little bit on my hand so we can see what this looks like and what it smells like. So like I said, this is what the item looks here, and this is what is written on the back of the packaging here and the ingredients there. So let's just line it up right beside here. And that is what the cream looks like here. It does have a very light scent and a little bit of a yellow tinge to it that smells like grapefruit, and it is a thicker moisturizing cream. So that is what that looks like there. The next item that's in here came like this, where there is an eyelash on this side and the same thing on the other. So same thing. Very cute packaging. Great if you wear eyelashes. They seem really fluttery. This one is called Base Blue, and this is a lightweight, ultra wispy, perfectly rounded set. Ideal for adding an instant dramatic effect and fluttery finish. It has medium length and volume for the comfortable wear for any eye shape, and it's also cruelty-free. So that is what that looks like here. So we'll just put that over here. And then let's just line this up a little bit better. Okay, and then the last item is one that's confusing me a little bit. This one here on the card is supposed to be an eyeshadow palette from this brand called Crown. And it was supposed to be called the Shock Palette, and they're saying it was a $27 value. And it was a 6 matte and 3 shimmers in this beautiful 9-shade palette. It's perfect for pops of color and dimension with great pigmentation and blendability, and it was also supposed to be cruelty-free. What I received in my box was from this brand called Copycat Cosmetics. And when I first moved to the States, and yet the name is called Shocked, and that is what the name on the card, it says it's a Shocked palette. But when I got introduced to this brand, I was excited to have the opportunity to learn more about them, because they were advertising when they, and if you go to the Copycat Cosmetics website, they show like a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and then their version of it. And they're showing the value of that is like a $50 palette, and their palettes are like $10 and $12. They also run a lot of 50% off sales. And when I first arrived here, I grabbed a palette and I grabbed some brushes, that makeup brushes that were supposed to be a copy of Marc Jacobs. Anyways, the products were nice. I enjoyed them, but I don't think I would be putting a brand like this in a subscription box. So, because to me, it's, you know, a dupe brand. There's a very small mirror on the inside, and those are what the colors look like here. I'm not going to be swatching these because this is a palette that I definitely bought a large one from ColourPop that has all these bright colors in it. So this is definitely going to be going into my gifts for later section, but I wanted to share that with you. So on the card, it says it was supposed to be a Crown brush palette, but it is from this brand called Copycat. like I said, this is a little bit disappointing for me that it is in here, but as I opened up a lot from this brand, they usually do not disappoint, but the brand does always usually put an eyeshadow palette in the box. This is the first time something that's marked on the card is not what was in the box, but it is, and it says shocked. So I think the only thing different is that it's saying it's a crown palette where it is a Copycat Cosmetics. And I don't think I've seen the Copycat Cosmetics brand have eyeshadow palettes that ran around $27. The retail value on the card says it's $137. As I tell you all the time, I never pay attention to retails because none of us who are in the subscription box world, customers, pay the retail prices. We always have opportunities to buy things on sale, as well as in the other Ipsy BoxyCharm world through their add-on programs as well. So wanted to share this box with you because I still get it and I want to make sure that you know about it. And this is the box, and it is for the month of October, called Kindred Kindness. That's it. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.